So do you say minced beef or ground beef? In the UK we say minced beef. I think you Americans say ground beef. Anyway, we're doing some beef, ground or minced, with some potatoes, and I've added some other vegetables. Very, very simple. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got some ground beef there. That's about 500 grams or a pound, or in volume it's about 3 cups. 2 cups potato, 2 cups of onion, cut the potatoes fairly small. And then these are 1 cup each, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm using these. You don't have to use any of these, or you can add more. You can add mushrooms or something like that. But I've got bell peppers, carrots, garden peas, and zucchini. 135 grams, or one of those small little kind of Tetra packs of tomato paste. Just a small fresh tomato. I like a little bit of fresh in there. A teaspoon of thyme. We're going to add a little bit of stock to this. I'm going to be using some chicken stock, but any stock will work. Salt and pepper. Oil to start. Let's go. So I've got about 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil there. I'm using the corn oil. Use any oil you like. You can reduce the oil down if you like. I get accused of using lots of oil, which maybe I do. Okay, ground beef. In that goes, like I say, 500 grams or about 1 pound. What we're going to do on a slightly above medium heat is we're going to throw this around in the pan by itself just for like 4 minutes. Just about 4 minutes there. Bit of colour on it, still a bit of red going on. Let's add some salt. Let's add some black pepper. Then we're going to go in with our 2 cups of onion. 2 cups potato, 1 cup carrot. Now if you were adding celery or something to this, get that in now as well. And if you wanted, get a tablespoon of garlic in here. I'm not using garlic today in this one. Right, we're going to go for another 4 minutes on this above medium heat. Beautiful stuff. That little bit of tomato, I like that in there. Herb of your choice. I'm going with thyme and our tomato paste, 135 grams. That's about, I think that's like 3 tablespoons or something. It looks like that to me. Another 4 minutes. Keep it moving fairly often now. Really simple, beautiful stuff. Okay, we're on the last leg now. So we're now going to add a cup of green peas. They were a frozen one. Just run them through some water. Bell peppers, using these 2 colours. Zucchini, courgette, kusa, whatever you call that. All chopped quite small. And the more veg you get in here, the more you bulk it out, the more you can feed the family. And you're giving them lots of goodness, of course. Okay, stock. I've got 3 cups there of a chicken stock. Use a beef stock, vegetable stock, anything you like. Right now, we're going to turn the heat down, not to a simmer, just above a simmer. We're going to let that go for about 7 or 8 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. You've done it. Okay, job done. Off goes the heat. That's beautiful. Lovely. Look at that. Check that for salt and pepper. It's going to be great for me. Easy peasy. Okay, and there you go. Like I said earlier, you can pump different vegetables into that. Change the flavour. I use thyme. You could use something else, of course. Very simple. Hope you enjoyed that. See you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.